Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add artwork to your screenshot showcase in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on it to reveal a menu, then select View My Profile from the options that appear. This will take you directly to your personal Steam profile page where you can manage all your public content and customization settings. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the right panel. You'll see several options there, and you need to click on Artwork. This section is specifically designed for uploading and managing all your custom images, screenshots, and creative content that you want to display on your profile for others to see. Now that you're in the Artwork section, click Upload Artwork. This button opens up the upload interface where you can begin the process of adding new content to your profile showcase. Next, you'll need to specify whether this artwork is tied to a specific game or not. Click Not Game Specific to proceed. This option is perfect when you're uploading general screenshots or artwork that doesn't belong to any particular game in your library. After that, you'll see a field where you need to give your artwork a title. Type in whatever title you'd like to use in the designated field. This title will help you and others identify this particular piece of artwork later on. Now it's time to select the actual file you want to upload. Click Choose File to open your computer's file browser. From there, click the image or screenshot you want to upload, then click Open. This will attach your selected file to the upload form and prepare it for processing. With your file selected, you'll see a field where you can add a description. Enter any text you'd like in the designated fields to provide context or details about your artwork. Next, you'll want to control who can see this artwork by setting your visibility preferences. Choose from options such as friends only, private, or unlisted depending on how widely you want this content to be shared. After configuring your visibility settings, scroll down until you see a checkbox beside the text "I certify that I created this artwork." Check this box to confirm that you have the rights to upload this content. This is an important step that Steam requires to protect intellectual property. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Save and Continue. After clicking this button, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Steam processes and uploads your artwork to your profile. The upload time may vary depending on your file size and internet connection speed, so give it a moment to complete. You've now successfully added artwork to your screenshot showcase in Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.